Hello and Namaste. So today we have shared one framework that we have created for you, and that will help you write upsell emails. If you need content for your software upsell with just one-time fee, then this framework might be useful to you. So to use that, let's go to frameworks and then click on browse community frameworks. So once the community framework gets loaded, search for upsell and you will see this framework that we have created for you. And once you add that to your library, select that framework. So we already have it over here, and open it. Now you can use the example, or you can just name it according to your preference. For the time being, we will just say it, let's say virtual try an app for a one-time fee. So let's change that to 100 and generations 5. Since the output it will be generating will have limited characters, so it might be better option to generate multiple outputs. So let's see how it will generate. It will take a while to generate the content for you, but usually doesn't take much time. Okay, so it has generated the content. So let's see what sort of content it has generated for us. Okay, awesome. Special offer for the Try Our Jewelry virtual try an app upgrade to the full version of our Try Our Jewelry for a low one-time fee of just that should be replaced, and that one. Okay, only available right now, special limited time offer, unlock all the features of Try an app for just that amount. Okay, create that one. So it is generating fair content that you can use for your upsell emails. So just like that, if you like any of those blocks, you can just add them to your writing canvas and modify it according to your preference. Okay, so please take a look into the framework that we have created. You use it and do let us know how it's working for you. And one of the best thing with ClosersCopy now is we have the find and replace feature right inside here, and you can find or replace anything that you find over here with your own value. So this is how you can create upsell email content using the framework that we have created. So let us know your feedback in the comment section below, and we will be updating the framework over time, so it should generate good content over time. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.